Welcome to our step-by-step guide on hassle-free drywall installation for beginners. In this video, we will walk you through the easiest way to install drywall in your home. Let's get started. Step 1. Measure and mark. Begin by measuring the area where the drywall will be installed. Use a pencil to mark the measurements directly on the drywall sheets. Make sure to account for any openings such as windows or doors. Step 2. Score and snap. Using a utility knife, score the drywall along the pencil marks. Apply gentle pressure along the scored line to snap the drywall in a clean break. Step 3. Secure the drywall. Position the drywall sheet against the wall, ensuring it fits snugly. Then, use drywall screws to secure it in place. Place screws along the edges and in the middle, making sure to leave no gaps. Step 4. Cut openings. If you encounter openings like electrical outlets or light switches, use a utility knife or a drywall saw to cut precise openings in the drywall sheet. Step 5. Apply joint compound. Apply a thin layer of joint compound over the seams and screw holes using a drywall knife. Smooth it out to create an even surface. Step 6. Add drywall tape. Press drywall tape firmly into the layer of joint compound, covering the seams entirely. Smooth it out with the drywall knife to remove any air bubbles. Step 7. Mudding and sanding. Apply another layer of joint compound over the drywall tape, extending it slightly beyond the tape's edges. Allow it to dry completely, then sand it smooth. Step 8. Finishing touches. Once the surface is smooth, it's time for the finishing touches. Apply a final layer of joint compound, feathering it out to blend with the surrounding area. And there you have it. A hassle-free drywall installation. Remember to take your time and follow the steps carefully. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful DIY tips and tricks.